Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no internet found issues on Riot Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, if the Riot Games application gives you a warning telling you that there was no internet connection detected, then the first thing that you will need to check is to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. If you are connected to a network but you still see this message, then make sure that your internet connection is working smoothly. Open up any other application that uses the internet, and if this app is running just fine, then your internet is not to blame here. The second step is to check for updates. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in and search for Riot Games. Once you find the application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Once the updates has been installed, you can tap on the play button to open it up and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't help, then long press on the Riot Games and tap on the info button. Now from the application info page, first of all tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage page, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, which will clear all of your user data. You can now open up the Riot mobile application and you will notice that the no internet connection issues will now be fixed. And now you can proceed with logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix no internet issues on the Riot Games application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.